Hi, my name is Muhammad Omar bin Faisal. My student ID is 2024218748.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Waziri Huzan Liza and my student ID is 2024679786. Ciao.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Nabil Hazwan bin Muhammad Hairuzani. My number student ID is 2024276234.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Hanis Mia Sarah binti Muhammad Syamsuriban and my student ID is 2024274302.
Assalamualaikum and very good day to Sushawan. My name is Muhammad Omar. I'm going to do an explanation about differentiation and technique of differentiation. So, what is differentiation? As you can see here, differentiation is a mathematical process used to determine the rate at which a function is changing at any given point. It is a core concept in calculus and a method of finding the derivative of a function. In simple terms, it tells us how a function is changing at any given point. In real world or in real life, the derivative is really to measure the change of things like speed and acceleration, or we call it velocity. So there's a few techniques how to determine the differentiation. So the first one is power rule. If fx equal to x prime, then f prime x equal to nx. Second, constant rule. If fx equal to c, where c is constant, then f prime x equal to 0. So for the third one, sum, or we call it difference rule. If x plus dx, then f prime x plus minus g prime x. And if fx equal to uv prime plus vu prime, we call it product rules. We mostly use product rules in our calculus. Then the fifth one, quotient rules. Vu prime plus uv prime over v2. That's only the formula. And for the sixth one, chain rule, dy over dx times du over dx. Simple, right? Let's see how my friends will use this formula in their question. They will explain step by step to make you understand. Let's go.
So let's not waste any time. For question number 2, find dy over dx for the following functions. Question A. Y equals to 9e power x times bracket x minus 3 close the bracket. So what we do, first of all, we use product rule. So u equals to 9e power of x, same as u prime, 9e power of x. So for the v, times bracket x minus 3 close the bracket. For the v prime, sec power of 2 bracket x minus 3 close the bracket. After we got all the information, we can just substitute into the product rule. What is the formula? The formula is y equals to uv prime plus uv prime. So it will be 9e power of x, open bracket, times, and bracket inside it, x minus 3, close the bracket and close the bracket again, plus 9e power of x, bracket, sec power of 2, and the bracket inside of it, x minus 3, and close the bracket. So it will be, the equal will be 9ex bracket times bracket x minus 3 plus sec power of 2 and bracket x minus 3, close the bracket. That's the answer for question A. Alright, next question B. Y equals to x power of 2 plus 1 over sin x. So first of all, step by step, what we do, we use quotient rule. So the first of all, u equals to x power of 2 plus 1, and the u prime is sure 2x, and v equal to sin x, and v prime is cos x. So same, just like the previous question, just put all the information into the formula of quotient rule. What is the formula of quotient rule? So the formula of quotient rule is y equals to vu prime minus uv prime over v square. Let's not forget about the square. So it will be equals to sin x bracket 2x plus 2x close the bracket plus bracket again open bracket x square plus 1 close the bracket cos x over sin x square, and the answer will be the final answer will be 2x sin open bracket x close bracket plus cos x open bracket x square plus 1 close bracket over sin square x. So that is the final answer for the question number B. Thank you.
So without further ado, I will go to the question, which is question 3 for my part. So the question is question 3. Given ln y plus sin square bracket x square plus e power of y equal to 5xy. So the answer is looking for find dy over dx using implicit differentiation. So to look at the slide, for the first step that I do is we differentiate both sides with respect to the x. Since the equation contains both x and y, we use implicit differentiation, meaning every y gives a dy over dx through the chain rule. Next, in step 2, I apply the chain rule to the sin squared bracket x squared plus e power of y term and the product rule to 5xy. The chain rule is needed because the function is nest square sin and then x squared plus e power of y. So the product rule is needed for 5xy because it is a product of two variables. Next, for the step 3, what I'm doing is simplifying the equation. I apply the identity to sin theta bracket cos theta equal to sin 2 theta to combine the trigonometric terms, and then I expand the bracket. This helps rewrite the equation in a form that's easier to recognize. Next, in step 4, we collect all the terms that contain dy over dx. We bring them to one side and factor out the dy over dx. In my answer, I always bring them to the left side since it is easier to compile them together. This step is really important because it prepares the equation to be solved for the derivative. For the step 5, we desolate the dy over dx by dividing both sides by the bracketed expression. At this point, I essentially have the derivative, just not in its cleanest form yet. Finally, in step 6, we simplify the result. We multiply the numerator and denominator by y to remove the fraction in the denominator. And after simplifying, I obtain the final expression for dy over dx. So to complete this question, I use implicit differentiation, product rule, and chain rule.
So, the last question asks to use linear approximation to estimate the value of 8.02 square minus 8.02 square root of 3 and correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, to estimate the value of 8.02 square minus 8.02 square root of 3 by using linear approximation, the first step is let the function to be f of x equal to x squared minus x power of 1 over 3. And then we have to find its derivative, which is f prime x equal to 2x minus 1 over 3x power of 2 over 3. Next, we need to determine the chosen value, and we choose 8 because it is closer to the given value, which is 8.02. Step number 4, we need to find the change of x, where x equal to x naught, and there we get 0.02. The last step, using linear approximation formula, we need to substitute all the value in the formula, and the answer we get is 62.31833. But since the question asks to 2 decimal places and our final answer is 62.32.